Recently we were asked, why are sorghum prices higher than corn prices? So we go to the guru, Kim Anderson. What's going on with those?
Well, it depends on the part of the state you're in. If you're in central Oklahoma, or really anywhere but the Panhandle, sorghum prices are higher than corn prices. If you go to the Panhandle, then corn prices are slightly higher than sorghum. What's going on there is that China is buying up the sorghum. Now China, the government put a tariff on corn, makes it expensive. They want to protect the farmers and corn prices in China. And I mean, a buyer is a buyer anywhere in the world, so what they figured out is there is no tariff on sorghum. So the Chinese feed millers, they're buying U.S. sorghum, shipping it in. They've got the corn price, jacked the price up, they're making a good profit, and that's why in central Oklahoma, sorghum prices are higher than corn prices. Now you go to the Panhandle, the feedlots like to feed corn, they prefer it to sorghum. It's cost more to ship the sorghum to the Gulf than it does from central Oklahoma, and therefore you have corn slightly higher than sorghum in the Panhandle.
Speaking of prices that have climbed slightly higher, wheat climbed 88 cents, but then there was also a little bit of a slide in the price also. Talk about that.
Yeah, we had a good run up. You know, we've been talking about that $6 level, getting through it and then popping $6.20. Man, we went through $6.20 and we got that March contract up above $6.60 just right quick. You go back to November the 10th, cash prices in Oklahoma, $5.45. By DC1, they peaked out at $6.33, and they backed off about 21 cents to around $6.12. I think what's going on there is, one, you got lower transportation costs. We got a 10-cent increase in the basis, plus the funds were basically short on wheat. They reversed or got out of those short contracts because you have Russia possibly not exporting high quality wheat. You've got low quality wheat coming out of the European Union. You've got lower production in Australia. That makes our high quality wheat, high protein wheat here, more valuable.
Now speaking of higher prices, producers may be wanting to take advantage of that. Is that a good idea?
I think it's a good opportunity to sell some wheat. You get an 88-cent price rally. You know, now say a net 65, 70-cent price rally. I think it's the opportunity. Plus, I think it's time that they consider pricing some 15 wheat. You've got the basis at around -30, the July around 6.30. That's forward contract at $6. We're expecting the June of 15 price to be around $5.50. Another thing I'd consider is buying a put option contract. You can get a minimum price in around $5.60, and I think that's something to consider too.
Okay, thank you much. Kim Anderson, Grain Marketing Specialist here at Oklahoma State University.